Wondering whether to buy or sell super microcomputer stock? In this video, we'll be delving deeper into super microcomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 2, 2023. But now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 18, 2023, our system has identified super microcomputer as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.81. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -13.73%. This means it has been averaging a daily loss of -1.14% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a further decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -7.09% change expected in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.63% to 14.91%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a remarkable 183.74% change over the next year, with a potential return between 174.94% and 385.65%. This would result in a price range of $676.08 to $1,194.21 after 1 year. Our latest update on super microcomputer features the following headline: high volatility in the stock price on Thursday, closing at $245.90. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 2, 2023, the stock price of super microcomputer decreased by 2.53%, going from $252.27 to $245.90. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 15.89%, reaching a low of $227.37 and a high of $263.50. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 7.23%. The volume of shares traded increased by 4 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 7 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $1.83 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $357, while the lowest price was $69.02. Currently, the stock price is 31.12%, or $111.10, below the 52-week high of $357. This 52-week high also serves as the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for SMCI. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, June 7, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave SMCI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, August 12, 2022, Susquehanna gave SMCI a positive grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research gave SMCI a buy grade with an upgrade action. Today, we're going to talk about refining a script for a YouTube video to make it clearer and more engaging while preserving the original content. When refining a script, it's important to keep the main points and essence of the original intact. Let's dive in and see how we can make it better. The first step is to ensure clarity. Use simple and concise language that is easy for your audience to understand. Avoid jargon or technical terms unless necessary, and provide explanations when needed. Next, let's focus on engagement. Grab your viewers' attention from the start by asking a thought-provoking question or sharing an interesting fact. Use storytelling techniques to create a narrative that captivates your audience and keeps them engaged throughout the video. Additionally, consider incorporating visual aids such as images, graphs, or videos to enhance the visual appeal of your content. This will help your viewers better understand and remember the information you're presenting. Another important aspect is the delivery of your script. Pay attention to your tone of voice, pacing, and intonation. Vary your tone to add interest and emphasize key points. Use pauses strategically to allow your audience to absorb information and reflect on what you've said. Lastly, remember to keep your script well structured. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break down your content into easily digestible sections. This will help your viewers follow along and navigate through the video effortlessly. By refining your script to be clearer and more engaging, you'll create a better experience for your viewers and increase the impact of your YouTube videos. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Let's take a look at the signals for Supermicro Computer. Currently, there are few positive technical signals for Supermicro Computer. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, but the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This means that the overall forecast for the stock is more negative. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $264.87. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the short-term average at $244.16. Breaking above the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 10, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen by -20.76%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of this development. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 18 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator gave a buy signal 31 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer has found support from accumulated volume at $243.55. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is likely to result in an upwards reaction when tested. However, it's important to consider the volatility of this stock. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. In the last day, the stock experienced a price fluctuation of $36.13, equivalent to 15.89% of its value. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 7.73%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Supermicro Computer has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often observed in companies with a long history and stable revenue streams. Moving on to the latest news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for January 29, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $254.43. For those who don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. If you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Super Micro Computer encounters its first support level at $243.55. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Super Micro Computer has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources, based on the combined average rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were conducted by Luliang Chiu Sarah. She bought and sold a total of 2,883 shares or options in the company. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a positive insider power ratio of 83.125. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 466,534 shares and sold 42,700 shares. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Super Micro Computer stock a good buy? Super Micro Computer currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a significant downward trend, indicating that it is likely to continue performing weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. When trading begins on Friday, November 3rd, we anticipate Super Micro Computer to open with a decrease of $0.310 and begin trading at $245.59. Before we dive into today's topic, it's essential to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge your responsibility and accountability for your investment decisions. What do you think about the current view of this stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, let us know your target for the stock. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We want you to have a successful trading experience. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.